Hey guys, welcome back to this new video, and in this video let's see about data types in Python. So we have most important 8 data types. So we have integers, float, Boolean, strings, and dictionary, set, list, and tuple. So we have these 8 and we can see examples of these shortly. So for now, these four, like these orange color are primitive data types and these blue color boxes are data structures. Okay, data structures is nothing but a collection of data. Okay, but these primitive data types are nothing but a single value, a single data. Okay, but dictionary, set, list, and tuple contains as many data. Okay, like it can also contain single data, but it usually called like a container. Okay, seen like a container. Okay, that's it. So we're gonna see examples of this. So let's see examples of this. Integer can be a negative number or a positive number or a zero can be an integer. Okay, so it should not contain point values like this. Okay, decimal point values. Okay, except that all are integers up to infinity, up to negative infinity. Okay, and float can also be negative number or positive number, and zero is not a float, zero is integer. And so it should be point numbers. Okay, it cannot be whole number. Okay, it cannot be -3, it can be -3.0. okay, so here you can see float can be 24.0 but cannot be 24. Okay, we have to add at least 0 to it. Okay, this is float, and Boolean contains only two values, true or false. That's it. So, and strings can be any character. It can also be a number, but if it's included inside the quotes, like either double quotes or single quotes, it should be called as string. It should be treated as string in Python. Okay, so these are data structures. List, as I say, these are collection of data. So collection of different data of different types, right? So it is an integer, and this is an string, and this is float, and this is, it's a list. Okay, list inside a list. Okay, so these are list and these are tuple. It's indicated by square brackets, and this is indicated by parentheses, and this is indicated by squiggles, and this also squiggles. But the main difference between the set and the dictionary is dictionary has key value pairs. Okay, the first element is key and the second element is value. Okay, so a simple rules, like a basic rules of these are: integer cannot contain decimal points, as I said earlier, and float cannot contain whole number, like it should be written as 24.0, not 24. Okay, if it's written as 24, it should be integer. Okay, so Boolean, it starts with uppercase, which is T and F for true and false, and string should be inside quotes. Okay, it should be inside quotes. If it's not inside quotes, it's not a string, right? So here you can see a simple example with a number. Okay, this is string because it's inside quotes. This is same 34, but it's not inside quotes, so it's integer. Okay, so this is integer and this is string. You have to know the difference between these. And list cannot can contain duplicates and duplicate values. Okay, it can contains the same values over and over. Okay, like any number of times. And tuple can also contain duplicates, and set cannot contain duplicates, and dict cannot contain duplicates. So this is the basic rules, and we can see more about list, tuple, set, dict, and all of these in upcoming videos. That's it. So let's see the examples of data types as a Python code. So here I used type function. So type function returns the type of the data like we included. So here I defined a value to A, and I'm returning the value of A, like type of A, using the type function. Okay, so here I return all the data types I have explained now. So I'm gonna run these all. So we can see here the 1 is like first number, like I defined the number also. The 1 is integer, so the 12 is integer. It's from class int, so it's what returned by type function. Okay, so we can use this type function if we don't know what type exactly is. For beginners, it will be really helpful. This code can be found in description. Thank you.